Hello, my name is Falase-Koya, author of Marv and the Ultimate Superpower, a World Book Day book, and I'm here today to talk to you about children's books that I've read in the last year, which I liked, and one of them is The City of Stolen Magic by Nazneen Ahmed Pathak, which is here, and it is an amazing book, a book about a little girl called Trumper, whose home is attacked and her mum is kidnapped, and now she has some amazing but dangerous magical powers, and it is about her coming to London and trying to see if she can find her mother. Yeah, it's a really interesting book, really deep themes. It speaks on colonialism. I really enjoy this book. And here's one of them. It's called The Spook's Apprentice by the late Joseph Delaney. And it is a book about a boy called Thomas who is the seventh son of the seventh son, which means that he ends up having to work underneath what's called a spook, which is almost like a supernatural, somebody who deals with supernatural things, basically, like witches and ghosts. And it's a little bit scary, but I just love the adventure of Thomas having to learn how to deal with these supernatural scary things that go bump in the dark. One of them is The Little Prince, Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, and it is this really interesting classic about a little boy in the desert from another planet who a pilot discovers. It is quite surreal, quite funny, also really interesting and philosophical. I think it's an amazing book. The Little Prince. Another one would be Peggy the Always Sorry Penguin, Penguin Pigeon, by Wendy Meador and Carmen Saldana. And it is about a pigeon called Peggy, who is always getting the short end of the stick, always having to say sorry, who begins to learn that they need to stick up for themselves a little bit. I love the pictures in this book, this picture book, and I found it very, very funny. And I have a soft spot for pigeons because I'm from London, a place which is filled with pigeons. Pigeons, be nice to pigeons, okay? Yeah, so Peggy the Always Sorry Pigeon. And I'm going to talk to you about Amari and the Night Brothers by B.B. Alston. Really fun book. I really enjoyed this. It's almost like a mix of, it's like a secret society of magic that this girl called Amari discovers exists and discovers might have something to do with her brother's disappearance, and she now has to enter this world and see if she can find her brother and find out what happened to him. I found this a lot of fun, filled with adventure and amazing magic. Please do give it a go. See you later.